Hello everybody, this is Professor Hill, and this is a short video for our class Introduction to Ethics 2306 here at St. Philip's College. Today is Thursday, February the 1st. We're in week 3 of our online class. And yesterday I was trying to help sort out some of the key concepts from chapter 2 when, as you saw, I got very frustrated looking for help for a short video, for example, that could help us on YouTube. Because there's a whole lot of things out there which are not helpful at all. Now, I did find one. Again, we're back to the crash course. Those people do know what they're doing. So, whereas yesterday, I told you, look, let's start this with an introduction to some of the history around how and why different cultures got started and how some progressed faster than others. In the online version of Guns, Germs, and Steel, a book by Jared Diamond, which was turned into a National Geographic special, and now those 3 parts of it, 1 hour each, are available on YouTube. And I said, watch the first 1 hour episode called Out of Eden. With that history in place, I now want you to watch another short crash course video. It's called Metaethics, but it gets into the issues from chapter 2. Although we had that term introduced in chapter 1 of our book, week 2, we're now back to this concept. And I think that that does a good job of sorting to kind of lay out the big divide between an objective or absolutist approach and the relativistic approach, culture relativistic approach, what are going to be at loggerheads for the next few chapters. So we've got objectivism and relativism. And what do these things mean? How do they get applied to the concepts in the chapter? And then, of course, how do we apply them to our case studies? So, listen, like I said, yesterday I wanted you to watch the 1 hour, the long piece, Guns, Germs, and Steel by Jared Diamond, the first 1 hour episode. Today it's a short video that I'm going to put a link to in as well, Metaethics by the Crash Course folks. That will help us get started down this path between objectivism and relativism. And then what I'll do is I'll come back tomorrow to kind of talk about how we can set aside a couple of the things he wants us to talk about and focus on 2 big ones. Now, if that sounds confusing, watch the videos, watch the Guns, Germs, and Steel, watch this short video. We're making progress. We've still got plenty of time before the case study application is due Sunday night. It does take some time to get through all of chapter 2, watch the long one, the 1 hour one, and now this short one, the crash course one. And then we should be ready to do the application piece, which I want to do in the video tomorrow. Again, I know it sounded like a lot. You feel like you got a fire hose being sprayed on you, but we'll work through it slowly and with time. So again, do those 2 things, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow, one step at a time, okay? Take care. Bye-bye.